are Motorbike Tours.
There's nothing quite like the sense of freedom and adventure that comes from riding these spectacular roads and meeting the exceptionally friendly locals along the way. We travel at a relaxed pace with plenty of time for random road stops, allowing you to really take everything in and get the most out of this unique experience. We are a dedicated motorcycle tour operator running quality, fully supported tours for experienced riders seeking the ultimate adventure.
Come ride with us and see the real Vietnam.